Welcome back. Now, another page that you have available to you that you can edit is going to be your thank you page. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to this edit page. You're going to click on that link. That's going to give you access to a block of pages that you can actually change in order to deliver your content. Now, you can place as much on this thank you page as you want. So, for example, let's assume that what you wanted to do is you wanted to include a video. And let's say that you wanted to add in a video block. And what you do is you'd either add in a custom HTML block where you'd have an embedded video. You can add in this custom HTML block. Once you do that, you're going to click add. That block would then be available here. Let's say that what you want to do is you want to reposition that block. What you do here is you would then move the block up to where you want it to be. You'll notice then that your HTML block is going to be up and available to you. What you do then is you then open up this block, this HTML block. It's looking for the code that you want. You then go back to get the video code and then place that video code inside of this HTML area. So we go back and get our code. We then place that code after we put a center code in. Then we end with a center code. We then have our video available. What we can then do is click update. That's going to update our page. Now, in terms of the button that's on the thank you page, you'll notice that it says go to the course curriculum. Now, if you go to the button action, when you click on that button, you'll notice then that Teachable is going to automatically send people to the course curriculum when they click the button and they get to the thank you page. Now, you can change the wording on that button so that it says what you want it to say. Of course, what you're going to do there is you're going to update the page. You can go back and do anything else that you want to do in terms of design, but then your thank you page will then be ready. What will happen is your customer will come to this page. They'll then be able to click to this button that says click here for your video course, and your customer thank you page will then be set up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.